This side of the patio needed a makeover, and honestly, I was sick of staring at our AC units. I went to Home Depot and grabbed a bunch of 1x4 common boards, a couple 2x6s, and a 2x4. I started by cutting them all to size to fit my patio, and then sanded everything down with 120 grit sandpaper, then ran over it again with 400 grit to make it smooth. I spray painted the 2x6s and 2x4 with black gloss spray paint, then covered all of my boards with a clear top coat to protect them from the weather. I attached my 2x6s to either side of the opening. The one next to the house I was able to attach into a stud, but the other side needed heavy-duty stucco anchors. Once those were up, I attached my 1x4s to the front using the pieces I had cut off as spacers. A little over halfway through, I began attaching my 2x4 in the center for some added stability. I cleaned off that table and chairs I had sitting here and gave those a quick refresh. I used black fabric paint on those chairs and then covered all the metal and table with this really pretty blue called Everlasting from Glidden. The final touch was adding some hanging planters to the slat wall, and I feel like it really made the whole space come together. Now, not only are my AC units hidden, but this slat wall provides so much shade on this side of the patio.